Is your ChatGPT app stuck on the loading screen? Don't worry, you are not alone, and the fix is easier than you think. In this video, I will show you simple and step-by-step solution to get your ChatGPT apps working again on your iPhone. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First thing first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Turn airplane mode on 10 to 20 seconds and off. Or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If your connection is slow or unstable, the app may get stuck loading. iPhones don't have a direct clear cache button, but rarer tricks. Go to Settings. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Tap on ChatGPT. Select Upload app. Tap Upload, then reinstall it. This removes temporary data without deleting your account. Make sure your ChatGPT is updated. Open the App Store. Search for ChatGPT. Tap Update if available. Updates often fix bugs like loading issues. Still stuck? Restart your iPhone. These clear temporary glitches that may be causing the problem. And that's it. One of these methods should fix your ChatGPT loading problem. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.